In this video, I will show how to set print area in Microsoft Excel. So just click here, page layout. So you will see your data is now turned into print area. Click on File and Print. Here you can make more changes like collated or uncollated. Orientation, you can select portrait or landscape. You can set your print size like A4. Margin, you can select normal, wide, narrow. Also guys, here you can set scaling. This is the default no scaling. You can set fit sheet on the page, fit all column on the page, fit all rows on the page. And once you done, click on print. And once you click here normal, so here you can figure out the print area. In my case, it's till end. You will see this dotted line. It shows this is the print area. So thanks for watching.